This tutorial will help you to identify inverted and irregular sentence patterns for identifying complete and simple subjects and predicates. Inverted means that the sentences are written in a reversed way, where the verb comes before the subject. The patterns can be adverb plus verb plus subject, or adverb phrase plus verb plus subject. Take notice that the inverted sentences that begin with prepositional phrases are not followed by a comma. Here's an example. This sentence has a regular sentence pattern of PP, comma, plus S plus V. During the day, the cat lay in the sun. This is a regular sentence pattern with the prepositional phrase followed by a comma, then the subject and the verb. The prepositional phrase is visiting the front, so it needs a comma to follow. Then you have your subject, cat, before your verb lay. Let's look at an example of an inverted sentence. In the sunshine purred the happy cat. In this sentence, I have a prepositional phrase followed by a verb. No comma is needed because there's no phrase visiting the front of the sentence, since the sentence is inverted, meaning it's backwards. The complete subject includes all the words that follow the verb purred, which leaves the happy cat. Cat is at the end of the sentence, which is the simple subject. A common mistake is placing the dividing line to the left of the verb instead of to the right, since the sentence is inverted. So remember, when you have an inverted sentence, the dividing line goes after the verb. To check to make sure that you have an inverted sentence, it should make sense when read in reverse order. Let's give it a try. The happy cat purred in the sunshine. We have looked at a sentence containing a prepositional phrase followed by a verb. Now let's look at a sentence that has an adverb followed by a verb. Here is your favorite dessert. The word here is an adverb followed by the verb is. So the complete subject is everything after the verb is, which in this sentence, your favorite dessert is your complete subject. The simple subject would be dessert, since the words your and favorite are describing the subject by answering which one, making them both adjectives. If you read it in reverse order, it should make sense. Your favorite dessert is here. Now let's look at a sentence with an irregular pattern in question form. The sentence pattern is usually a helping verb plus the subject plus the main verb plus the modifiers. Since there is not a clean division between the complete subject and the predicate, the helping verb is often left at the front of the question and is mistaken as being part of the complete subject. Here's an example. Will you be going to the birthday party tomorrow? Will is a helping verb and belongs with the other parts of the verb phrase be going. You is the subject that is interrupting the verb phrase because it's in question form. If I rewrite the question as a statement, as if I'm answering the question, it will read, you will be going to the birthday party tomorrow. Writing the question as a statement forces all of the verb parts together and places the parts of the sentence in a regular sentence pattern where I can make a clean division between my complete subject and complete predicate, which in this case the dividing line goes between you and will. Let's review irregular sentence patterns. When analyzing sentences, always look at the front for a prepositional phrase. If there is no comma, immediately look next door for a verb. If the sentence doesn't have a prepositional phrase, look for an adverb immediately followed by a verb. Lastly, look for question marks and remember to rearrange your question, making it a statement.